Channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of BOXD Inc. And today the stock is up 31.60%, trading at $2.11. So this is a stock that has been running over the past couple of days. That is what the 5-day graph looks like. And you can see that the stock has actually risen by quite a bit over the past 5 days. So BOXD Inc. operates as an e-commerce retailer and an e-commerce enabler in the continental United States. The company, through its e-commerce retail service, provides branded and private labeled bulk pantry consumables such as paper products, snacks, beverages, cleaning supplies, etc. to business to consumer and business to business customers, vendors and enterprise retailers, as well as household customers. It also provides BOXD IQ, a content management suite, programmatic cost per click ad platform, and vendor portal data suite that offers vendors, suppliers, and CPG manufacturers the ability to advertise their products to customers and access customer data and feedback in real time, on-demand grocery services, and an enterprise-level e-commerce platform. BOXD Inc. was founded in 2013 and is headquartered in New York, New York. The company employs 250 full-time employees. So some of the latest news we have for BOXD is that BOXD on the 7th of June announced that it is going to be added to the Russell 2000 index. And also on June 17th, not so long ago, last week, Andrew Pearson, who is an independent director of BOXD, bought 36% more shares in the company, which inspires a lot of confidence. So if you look at the previous close, BOXD closed at $1.61 and today opened at $1.69. From the time it opened, it has ran all the way up to $2.44 before dropping down to $2.09, which is where we are at right now. The volume today is also very heavy at 68 million shares that have exchanged hands, and the average volume is typically 1.45 million shares. The market capitalization of BOXD Inc. today, as of this recording, is 145 million United States dollars. So this is another good pick which is new on this channel, and I just wanted to pull your attention to the stock of BOXD Inc., which I think is a good buy. All right, guys, make sure on your way out you smash that subscribe button. We are slowly growing and we are building a community of savvy investors. I'm not saying that you should go buy BOXD today, but if you look at the 5-day graph, 1 month, you can see that about June 13th, we have been trading pretty much sideways. Well, the downward trend might not be over, but the Feds have come out with very strong action, increasing the interest rate by 75.75% basis point, and that means that availability of liquidity is going to be a bit hard, and that will help quell down the rampant inflation that we are seeing, not just with commodities at the grocery stores or at the gas pump, but with other items that people buy. So BOXD Inc. I think is a buy, not financial advice. You do your own due diligence and decide for yourself. But I think it's going to rise up quite a bit over the next couple of months. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button on your way out. Catch you guys on the next one.